So this is the one you had to try, and this was in your textbook on page 152, number 18. And I cut out the rest of the problem because it just says it was graphed on a graphing calculator. And we want to know how can we use the graph to find the solution of the inequality without factoring. So we're using the fact that this is our sketch in order to write the solution set for our inequality. The first thing you need to know is that this is a less than 0. Less than produces open circles. So we're going to have an open circle here, an open circle here, and an open circle here. And because this is drawn to scale on the x-axis, we're going to be able to count them and figure out what the values are. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is at 4. This is at -2. -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So what we're going to do is use these three values for our solutions, for our zeros, and combined with the fact that this is a less than 0, means that we're looking for y coordinates that are less than 0. Where are the y coordinates less than 0? So that's going to dip under the x-axis. So where does that occur? What values of x does that occur at? So right away, I see dipping under the x-axis is going to occur between -2 and +4. And then it also dips under the x-axis at all the way up to -6. So that means that our value for our solution on the left side is going to be a -∞ to 6. Because from all the way to there, all the way up to 6, it's kind of climbing up until it hits 0 here. So it's increasing. So all we have to do now is write our interval of solution set. So we're going to start with, this is in 2 separate sections, so we're going to need a union. This one starts at -∞ and goes to -6. -∞ to -6, both parentheses. Parentheses always on the infinity, but this is a parenthesis because there's no equal to sign in your symbol. Then we're going to union, and then you've got from -2 to +4, and parentheses for both of those because they're also open. All right, what we're going to do is transition to the next step, which is to be able to go from the equation to sketching to writing the interval notation. So stay tuned.